This is the largest gum wall in America. Since it was first placed in the city of Seattle, United States in 1993, the wall adorned with gum has become an intriguing icon for visitors. The experience of sticking pre-chewed gum to this wall has become a favorite activity for many who visit the site. Although unique and inviting laughter, we must be aware that this habit also carries health risks. Some people are even tempted to lick the gum stuck on the wall, which can ultimately lead to health problems due to potentially harmful bacteria. Nevertheless, the phenomenon of the gum wall remains intriguing to visit and adds a unique color to the city. What is your view on the uniqueness of the gum wall?